What's the meaning of biopsy? Biopsy. Biopsy.
Biopsy. Biopsy. Biopsy is a medical procedure in which a small sample of tissue or cells is removed from the body for examination under a microscope. It is usually done to diagnose a medical condition or to determine the extent of a disease. Biopsies can be performed on any part of the body, including the skin, organs, and bones. The most common types of biopsies include needle biopsy, where a thin needle is inserted into the tissue, and surgical biopsy, where a piece of tissue is surgically removed. Biopsies can help doctors identify cancer, infections, inflammation, and other medical conditions, which can then be treated appropriately.